My pleasure to see you all here today. I hope you all arrived well and are in good shape and motivated for this 2.5-day program. And it's really time that we also introduce our new products here in the Middle East and in Africa. And I'm excited to be here with you today and to share this.
First of all, I want to say thanks to all of you. The people sitting inside this room here are the most important in our organization. You are the front line, you are the interface to our customers.